This 5-minute solution will show you how to add work history on LinkedIn profile. Follow this step-by-step guide to add a new work history on your LinkedIn profile. First of all, open LinkedIn and open your LinkedIn profile. Once you are in your profile, click on Add Profile section and select Add Position. And now enter here your work title, employee type. Select your employee type. Enter here your company name. Enter here your location. Location type. Select. If you're currently working on the project or role, check this box. Select the starting date and starting year. Select the industry and write here your work description. Write here your profile headline. You can add skill by clicking on Add Skill. You can add media like images, documents, sites or presentation from here. Then all you have to do is just click on Save. And that's how we can add work history on LinkedIn. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.